Hello guys! Do you also have no idea how to make a text logo? Or are you someone who wants to learn logo design? Or someone who is already designing a logo and improving his skills? Then this video is for you. Today we will see how to design this logo. Would you like to improve your design skills by watching logo design or logo design tips and tricks videos like this? So subscribe to my channel right now and click on the bell icon. Then you too can watch my video as soon as I upload it. So today we are making a logo for IT company. First of all, we need to choose a color palette to make this logo. I chose this color palette to make this logo design. By using these colors, we make a gradient. To give a 3D look to the logo, we make the gradient by taking the shadows dark color and the highlights light color. Then we use shapes and lines like this and make the logo design. Hope you guys enjoy it. We have finished making the logo. Try to design a logo for a new concept like this. So if you want to see more new videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Good day everyone.